Hi friends, welcome to Google Classroom. Today we are going to be working on our word families. And we know that word families have two special things about them. First, they sound the same at the end of their word. And second, they look the same at the end of their word too. Our two word families that we're going to be learning about today are the og word family, like log and fog, and the op family, like hop and lop. We're going to be watching some really fun videos, and then we're going to do an activity together on our iPads to help us practice and reinforce our skills and our knowledge about the op family and the og family. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on our first video right here, which is word families number 8, the dog and the log. And that's going to bring us to one of my favorite stories about the dog and the log. And you're going to watch that on your iPad. After you're done, you're going to go back to your Google Classroom and we're going to watch a fun video, one of our favorite songs on the op family. And that will bring you to our page that looks similar to this. This is exactly what we do during our morning meeting, so it's going to be something that we're familiar with. And then the very last thing, you're going to click on this link down here, and it's going to bring us to a really fun activity that we're going to be working on the og family, the op family, and you're going to get a chance to write in some words about the op and og family as well. When you get to this part of the assignment today, you will click and drag words into the house that belong in that family. Of course, Miss Hennessy is going to be in the room working with our small groups at the horseshoe table. But if you have any questions, be sure to ask one of your neighbors or raise a silent hand and I'll be happy to help you. I'm excited for us to learn together today. And remember, our word families have the same ending sound and they look the same.